Okay. Oh, let me turn my get up. Mm, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Alright. Okay. Alright, yeah, hello? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a like a god mode sheet, I guess, for Soul Cube. Yeah, that shit. Yeah, so this should be pretty gangster. Shit. So we're making code Ks, we'll be hooking the damage function and replacing it with our own code. So pretty fucking cool. Um, we're gonna first do it in the debugger itself, then we're gonna code a cheat to do it for us. Uh, yeah, pretty gangster shit. I got a little layout of the things that we're gonna be doing right here, just so I don't get lost while I'm doing this shit. Sometimes, like, come on, bro, people expect me to remember all this little code shit. I mean, come on, do all this shit. I mean, yeah, I know it, but it's like, you know what I mean. Anyways, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find our health value, so we can then, put a breakpoint on it. I mean, you know how to use XOT debug, right? We'll just put a breakpoint on it real quick. I think it's gonna be a D word breakpoint on whenever it writes to the address. So this should be pretty easy. Let me pull up Chain real quick so we can use some scan memory real fast. So yeah, I'm using Chain for memory scanning and XOT debug for debugging. If you have other debuggers you want to use, and I didn't fucking whatever. Let me just kill myself real quick. I don't have HP for this shit. I had a lot. Yeah, I'll explain more as I'm doing it. Bro, am I fucking retarded? I just did it again. God damn it. Oh, what is my HP over here? No, it's not. What are you talking about? 97. Yeah, this shit's probably gonna kill me, but let's scan for 17 real quick. Yeah, good. Tough. Okay, none of those went to 100. Unlucky. Alright, let's go to new scan. 100 for a scan. Alright, 33. Should be this first one right here. This is our entity list address, I'm pretty sure. It doesn't matter. So this is obviously pointing to our health vibes. So we're gonna go into here. Okay, first, yeah, so you want to go to attach and you want to select AC underscore client and you come into symbols. Make sure your module is selected as AC underscore client. And you come to address, go to expression. So we're gonna go to this address. We see it in our dump one here. Bigger. So we got it right here. So 64 is obviously, 100 in hex, right? 0 to 64. So we're gonna set a breakpoint. So whenever the game tries to write to this address, our breakpoint will pop and will be brought to where we're taking damage, right? So so okay, that shit popped up. This is where we want to be at. So I'm gonna read this out so you can try to understand what's going on. Even though I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Turn this on real quick. Alright, so okay, so EDX plus EC. I know this is obviously not obviously, but this is our health address. So EDX is gonna be that's our local player address. EC is the offset for health address. They're moving EAX into EDX plus EC, which EAX seems to be unlimited damage. So it looks like we're gonna die, as it looks like here. So for one, I can just sign a -29. Yeah, that's tough. Unsigned. All right. Anyway, so that's basically how this is working. We can either hook one of these move functions right here, and yeah, let's just do the. Let's set a. So yeah, we're gonna be dead in game because we got too close. What are these random breakpoints? Okay, so we should pop a breakpoint over there once we take damage real quick. Try not to die this time. Alright, so right here, we pop a breakpoint right here. I think this is where I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna take this and my address right here. So I'm gonna copy this address from a hook location. The hook location, just gonna put it right there. It's the same one I used earlier when I was fucking did this before I started recording, so I just need to do what you're comfortable with. So that's gonna be our hook location. Our jump to. So our jump to location is just gonna be down here in some random place. We're gonna say, let's just say we want this to be our jump to location, right? So this is like, when you have an application, at the end of the application, there'll be a bunch of random memory that has nothing inside of it, just a bunch of junk memory that you can fuck around with. So in here, we can do a push add function, which will, is it push add or pop add, which restores the register? I can't fucking remember, but basically you just need to do push add, pop add before we do anything. And then let's go back to this location real quick, because we're gonna be hooking this function. So we're gonna be hooking this, so we're gonna need this function itself. Okay, I already saved it. And we're also gonna need this function right here. Oh no, we need this function. Right, so but to open up and assemble in the assemble screen, you just press space. You just copy it real quick. So let's scroll back down. Where the fuck was I even at? Okay, whatever. We'll just make this one right here our hook location for now. Let's copy the address. Jump to location will be this. I meant jump to location. So push add, pop add. So restore and push the registers, or whatever the fuck they do, I can't remember. And then we want to set, so then we just want to put back the original code. So move that. And then this would be the next code, but instead of moving the, so dword pointer ss brackets this, basically it's a pointer to this address and the brackets dereference address, giving you the value of whatever's inside this address. So it takes whatever's inside the value of this address and moves it into EX. So instead I'm just going to move in 0xFF, which is 255 in hexadecimal. And then we'll do a jump back to this location. Alright, so push add, pop add, jump back. So it's going to jump back to right here, which is where it moves EX into EDX plus 2, EC. And then on this, we can do jump. We want to jump to this location. So yeah, fill up the knobs, okay. Alright, so next time we run our code, we'll put a breakpoint right here. Next time we take a damage, oh well, I guess now we take damage. Our code is already ran, so there we go. Now we're invincible. Oh, okay. Well, not entirely invincible. If you're too close to a grenade and assault cube, it'll automatically kill you no matter what. So that's just somewhere in the code. I don't know. But yeah, I think if you get shot at, let's go see if we get shot at, if we'll take damage or not. If we take damage, we can just hook that and then do the exact same thing we did. Let's see it. Shoot me. Okay, yeah, we're still taking damage. Let's put a breakpoint on. Let's respawn real quick. So yeah, it looks like that's only for the grenades. Breakpoint right here. D-word. Let's get shot real quick. Okay, so when you get shot, it looks like it moves ESI, which is 12 in hexadecimal, which means it's 18 in decimal, right? It moves ESI into AEX. So yeah, we can just make another code cave. Okay, so it's gonna be moving ESI and EVX plus 4, which I'm guessing EVX plus 4 is our HP value, right? EVX 8F, yeah, plus 4 would be our health value. So it moves ESI, or subtracts ESI from EVX plus 4. Okay. Must be like we said jump 0x. Harder by 2 bytes. Who's testing? It's testing to see if ESI is equal to moving ESI into EX. And popping and returns it. So yeah, we could just do add right here instead. And if we take damage, it should just increase our HP, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so now it's just adding our HP. Sorry. So well, it should be adding his HP too, because that's a damage function I just changed. Okay. Okay. Alright, well, we're missable. Respect. Okay, let's go, what did I do here? Let me set a breakpoint on this. Shoot me, motherfucker. Okay, so we change this. Let's just restore this section. So, let's see. Sub ECX. Or sub ESI subtracts ECX. Good jump. Okay, well, let's save this code real quick. Alright, let's save this code. Let's put a jump to 0x. So let's grab this address. Let me get a bunch of signs real quick. The address, let's go down here. Let's copy this address. So I'm gonna see if I can jump this function over to this address. Let's go over here. Okay. So if I do jump, I don't care about keeping the size. I'm gonna jump to this address. Alright, so that would just get rid of that and would move ESI into EX. Which we saved it, right? Yeah. So let's go to here. This is where we go to. So it's push add, pop add. Let's put their our code back where it was. And then let's jump back. Let me get back to where we were. So let's just jump back to right here. Copy this address. So let's head back to here. You just click on this. Jump back to this address. So we can now change this. We can just change this to add instead. So it was add HP, so that should now work. Get rid of our breakpoint. Okay, and that works. Alright, so we got two different functions, breakpoints, or two different code cases we're going to set here, which should be pretty easy, I think. So we know how to do it now within the debugger itself. Now let's make a function. Let's make a fucking program using it. We're just going to create a new do dynamic link library. Let's make this YouTube code. I'll just call it YouTube code tutorial. I'll just save this shit here, give a fuck. So first things first, we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new thread. So we need a thread for this thing. We're not gonna pass anything for that, so no pointer size, so that is 0. We're gonna typecast. Start routine. We'll just call it injected thread. No pointer. So that's a null. Make that a no pointer. Basically, okay, when you see these LPs, those are long pointers. So there's no pointers. No ones that are D words or size. So that a null, okay. Void, injected thread. Let's call that right there. Let's make our code cave too. It should be underscore decal spec naked. Is that how it's written? Let me check. I don't have it right here. How the fuck? I don't know how this thing's written, bro. Like, bro, what even is this shit? Like, supposed to type int is assumed. Oh, does void go before this? Void is not allowed. Okay, look at my other code real quick to see how this fucking shit's created. I was doing it earlier, but I can't remember how the fucking this function looks like. Wait, is that literally, did I not just do that? Okay, whatever. I guess I did that. Alright, and then so injected thread. Alright, let's make a couple of parameters real quick. Let's make keyword old underscore protect. Let's initialize it using this initialization to 0. What's we gonna need? We need unsigned chart pointer for our hook location up here too. Alright, then within here, you can just copy and paste this shit. Alright, so we can get this real quick and tell you what this does. Let me turn this sound on. Alright, so basically, it's not what I do. This is missing the fucking. Just need to expected an expression. Oh, I gotta add our jump location. So our hook location to here. This is our hook location. So this is the unsigned char pointer for basically because we're gonna be editing bytes with this hook location. So we have to make it a byte, right? So unsigned char pointer, hook underscore location, and then we're putting our hook underscore location. So where we're putting our hook at. And then in virtual protect, which virtual protect takes a long pointer void of the address. So it takes a void pointer to the address. So it void pointer to hook underscore location. Then it takes the size in bytes, which is 5. Okay. Then it takes, so it says new protect. So this is gonna be our new protection that we're doing, which is gonna be page execute read and write. So we're giving it read and write and execute permissions. And then we're saving the old protection to the old protect variable up here. Okay. And then we're setting a pointer to our hook location is equal to 0xe9, which is the hex code for the jump opcode in fucking, what's the shit called again? x86 assembly. Okay. And then we're gonna dereference the word pointer. So this function right here, or this, I guess, statement right here, this statement is a formula for calculating where the hook or where the new code cave is going to be at. So formula pick up in the code cave location. To explain it, honestly, it's just kind of weird. Just keep this formula and input the fucking shit. So like new hook location, our code cave function. So what our code cave, so our hook location is going to be a jump to our code cave function. Okay, so it's going to find a space in memory. It's then gonna make a jump at our hook location to that space in memory, and then it's gonna have our code cave right to that memory space. Okay, and then +5 for our size, right? And then it's a pointer to hook underscore location +5, and we're setting it equal to 0x90, which basically it'll set the next line after our jump code to a no operation. So set next line to nop, right? So it'll clean up anything that isn't already set and ready. Because you're gonna have you're gonna have one byte leftover space, so we're just gonna knock that out. And then right here, this is where we're gonna start writing our code now. So we're just gonna do underscore sim. And let's take a look what we're gonna write. Let's go to this fucking go to expression. So we're gonna do a push add and a pop add. Okay, let me explain something real quick. So underscore decal spec and naked make it so we remove the, I think it's the spine of the function or the skeleton of the function, because whenever you make a function in C++, or I think basically anything, it'll automatically make some assembly code to go along with it. So we want to remove that so it's not within our code. Okay, so that's what naked is doing. Underscore decal spec is just some fucking like prefix to the thing. I honestly can't remember exactly what it does, but you can look it up if you want to. So move keyword pointer ds edx plus 0x f0 ex. And move eax to 0x ff, so move it. And then we're gonna jump back to, okay, let me make d word jump underscore back. It's gonna set this equal to 0xf. Let's copy this address. Alright, so we copy that address. So this it's honestly good to go right here. It's good to go. Yeah. Let's build this up right here. Oh, what the fuck? What is going on? Um, what the fuck? Why is it saying is not a recognized extended? Okay, let me disable pre-compiled headers real quick so I can screw with the shit. Compiled headers, don't use that. Just get rid of this shit. Okay. Okay, I just went full retard. What else do we need to include? I'm pretty sure this is right. I don't know why it's saying. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me go look at my other thing real quick. I'm pretty sure it's right. Maybe I'm missing like an include or something. Yeah. Yeah. Is it because oh my god. Like over here like thinking why is it not working? It's because it's in fucking uh yeah, let me go to all configurations. All platforms, let me go disable this shit. Pre-compiled headers. Yeah, not using that. Appreciate it. Okay. Now we're good. A legal number of operands. What are you even talking about, dude? Oh, I didn't fucking okay. Jump underscore back. There we go. Alright. Okay. Now let's let's code the other code cave to avoid injected underscore thread 2. Alright, let's just make another inject thread for our second code cave. Make it just code cave 2. Alright, we're just gonna copy this entire thing. Let's make it 2 instead. Location 2. Location 2. Code cave 2. Okay. Hold protect 2. So let's just keyword hold protect 0. Okay, it's making the hook location 2. Alrighty then. Let's get rid of this. Well, I guess I can leave that in there. Push red, pop that. Get rid of that. Okay, that looks alright, now let's get rid of this. Let's go into our Sublime. So our hook location is going to be here. So hook location. Our jump back is going to be the D word. Jump underscore back 2. Get to 0x. Okay. Alright. And yeah, that looks good to me. Let's go look at what this code is looking like. And the thing. Let's go to expression. So it's jumping into here. Push add, pop add. We're gonna be, let me just copy this, copy. And adding that. Okay. Subtracting this. And then we're gonna be jumping back to, let's make sure that's correct. Yep. Okay. So this should now work. And it should create both our code caves. So if we restart the game, we'll go back in and be completely invincible. So sort cube. Alright. Yeah. Good deathmatch, it's just got best. Single player, set these guys to idle real quick. Cheat engine. Process, memory, tools, video. Okay. Users, source, repos. Is this thing called YouTube? YouTube code code, export now, release. Okay, if we pull up XRT debug and attach it, we should now be able to go into the game. Oh shit, that's it's not supposed to look like that. Yeah. Oh, it's because I did a jump back right here. Okay. Let's just start again. Alright. Yeah, jump back 2. That's what we meant to put there. That was no bueno. And let's comment this out for now, so we're not adding a NOP right there. I'm pretty sure we shouldn't have a NOP from what I just saw. Let's go back in here, single player settings, add the bots. Okay, let's inject. Let's inject. Let's check this out. Okay, so yeah, so we got rid of the NOP, so it's the same as it should be. That's where it's sent me back to, jump in here. Goes to this shit. Comes back to here. Okay, that one looks good to me. Where's our other one at? Hook location. Hook location. Okay, it looks good. This should be where it jumps back. Oh no, it jumps back right here, I'm pretty sure. Jump in here, push add, pop add, move that, move this, jump back. Come back to right there. Okay. This should be good. Breakpoints all disabled. Single player, bot settings, auto bots. Alright. So instead of losing HP, we should add HP. If I find some fucking bots to shoot me. Okay, it's working. Working out on ourselves. Okay, heals us instead of does damage to us. Alright. There you go. That's how you hook fucking in-game functions and make code codes. Pretty fucking gangster. I know. You can do a lot more cool shit with this, like you can hook the maybe I should make a video on this sometime, but you can hook the OpenGL 32 library and hook the draw elements array. So you can hook this. You can change the depth of render. You can make chams. It's pretty gangster. If you know what chams are, basically just like you disable the rendering of all the stuff, like all the forward stuff on the character, and you just use a color brush to draw the character with 4 float values like red, blue, green, and opacity, right? And you can set the fucking character model to like just straight red. And you can see them through walls. It's pretty cool. So if you want to see a video like that, let me know, and I'll get to it. How long was that shit? 35 minutes? Jesus fuck, that was long. I think you're